All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So, Fulani herdsmen are operating in Biafran land again and again and again. And when you ask our governors, those of them that claim to be in charge of the state, Igbo politicians, they will turn around and tell you that it is our own brothers, the youth, IPOB, they are the one causing mayhem to our own people. You won't see them talk about this one. Ambra governor, I don't know, I don't often talk about him because this thing happened in Abia State. Some may say that the reason why Fulani have chosen to attack Abia is because of the good work Alessot is doing, allegedly, because I don't pay much attention to the activities of the current governor of Abia State. But I know that Benjamin Kano and Ojo Kano, they are against Alessot. For the fact that both of them are against him, then I start to believe that he is a good man, because somebody that is that their activities is obvious that they don't like, our people. Those of them that we all know that they don't represent anybody. In fact, when you talk about bad things, their name will always follow. Seeing them attacking him simply means that people who say that Alessot is a good man, that is doing very well, that what he's doing in the state is remarkable. I begin to believe that because for the fact that Ojo Kano and Benjamin Kano, that both of them are against him. Now, the news is that this woman you are seeing here went to a farm with her husband, and Fulani appeared there. So they started, confronting them, threatening to shoot them, not one, not two, 3 to 4 people, 4 Fulanis that attacked them. It is in a lonely place, but thank God for the husband. Their target was the man. They want to take the man away because most of them in the southeast, Fulanis there now, abusing, harvesting organ. Yes, I've seen some Fulanis, especially those of them in politics. They don't like when people talk about Fulani bandit, Fulani terrorists. They say that you saying that is you are including them. Do we have good Fulanis? Yes, of course, I believe we do. I cannot point one or two. I cannot point any Mr. A or Mr. B that is good. But I believe that there's no way the entire group will be bad. There must be good one. But in as much as this terror and attack is on, there's not a better way to call it what it is than to say Fulani, bandit, Fulani, terrorist, Fulani, this, Fulani, that. It is normal. It is normal. Or depending around there. If this terror is what they want people to identify them with, who am I to deprive them their God-given name? They have chosen to answer such names. So, those of you from Igbo land saying the Igbo, Namadu should be jailed, should be fined, please bring your chair. All right? This one happened just this week. Okay, this week, because today is a Monday. Today is Tuesday, rather. So it happened within the week, this past week, and we are going to go through it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. You can see this lady is very young. Is a young lady, a young woman with her little children. But mothers are always mothers. Her fight to save her son is, it makes me feel happy. I felt that there's a target, there's an agenda on Fulani people picking on men, Igbo boys, even the children. There's a baby boy, there is a target. You will hear what happened here. They were looking for this woman, the man. The man ran inside and, take some cover and managed to jump fence to go out and call rescue team which they called other state vigilante, something like that, in Umuahia. And why the man was aware, the woman don't even know where her husband is. They were still in search of the man, threatening her to bring him out. Where is the man? Otherwise, I'm gonna kill you. One of them said, shoot him, shoot her, buy them. With children of 3 years, they're about 4 years. And they carried the one of the boy, this small boy. They have carried that one to a cross fence, just for the other Fulani outside the fence to receive the baby. The mother quickly rushed, despite the threat of God, with God pointed at her. She quickly rushed and dragged the baby down. And maybe they got some signal and they felt like they have overstayed. They started retrieving. It may sound like a fairy tale, but this is how people lose their husband and their children in a bloody light. And I want you to pay close attention to this story. Let it be a kind of warning for those of you yapping nonsense. You guys are talking about Biafra, you are causing problem. Masamukan is this, Masamukan is that. In Abia State. The same thing applicable to other states. So, Ludo, your neighboring state, Abia, though even your own state, you are facing it though, but you don't want to admit. You don't admit. Anybody telling you otherwise about this security, that Fulanis are behind it, that person is not your friend. Okay, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yes, I don't know. I don't know why some of you love to watch video and you don't want to subscribe, you don't want to like the video, you don't want to share. Anyway, I'm just kind of reminding you that if you don't mind, like it and share it on any platform of your choice. Now let's go to the program. I just wanted to watch so you understand what I'm talking about. This is the video. I'm gonna start from the beginning so you can relate. And according to the write-up here, it says Fulani militia are also in Igbo land, carefully planning the attack. Igbos, get prepared to defend your territories from invaders. There's no need to warn, my dear. I felt pity. Let me say this. Before I say it, watch the video, because I want to see the people we're talking about. Then I will not tell you what you need to know. Sorry about it. I have to increase the volume. Because the volume is not as loud as I want it to be. I'm gonna start from the beginning. Again before we can present it. All right. So this is the video. Like I told you, this is the video, and I'm gonna, get the volume up so that you can hear everything that they said here. Okay.
Madam, I want one day I just get to Vigilante service. Get in today.
On the Fulani. I'm Adobe Baby.
Get in here.
I wear farm here. So I be Nepotanesia, I be a farm. Was why can I achieve a gate? I have a pella gate, no sound. That's one of the. So it's when I gate, one of them put that OGM. Everybody lie down.
Neighbor gone down, sir.
The Fulani, I put the Fulani Nama. So on us lie down here. Was one who lie down now. Drag is your moment inside the gate. So the woman said, don't worry, we go lie down. But I said, I go shoot you, I go shoot you. My husband said, we go lie down. We go lie down, no shoot us. What can you say? The other three. Bafuta. Immediately, I just much there. So it's about that you put his young cause of Barazani compound farm. That press the gate, lock one gate, but lock one. So I was at the back side of the farm. I was the deer. Fence. A very high fence. That's
get in today.
On the Fulani. I'm Adobe Baby.
Get in here.
I wear farm here. So I be Nepotanesia, I be a farm. Was why can I achieve a gate? I have a gate, no sound. Nazu one of the three. So when I have a gate, one of them put up Ojebo. See everybody lie down.
Ndị Igbo ka ndị Hausa.
The Fulani, the Fulani, Nama. So on us say lie down here. Osmo who lie down now. Drag is your mom inside the gate. So they will not say, don't worry, we go lie down. We go on say I go shoot you, I go shoot you. My husband not say we go lie down, no shoot us. How can they say the other three? Bafuta, be the edge of much there. So I have after them while put his own cause of Barazani compound farm. The idea press here the gate, lock or gate, but lock or. So I was and the back side of the farm. I know the deer. Ofu, Sinazo fence, very high fence. Now say where your husband? Where your husband? Go carry your husband. Where your husband? I go shoot you now. I go shoot you. No, mom, now say I carry children. No shoot. I carry children. Okay, what you now want? But I can't ask now buy any made the farm. On that tree, I need the farm. I go shoot you. I go shoot. Where no man I fear myself now. So I go shoot you. I go shoot you. Now I say where your okay? Where your phone? Bring your phone. Go open the gate. Start no carry. Don't be carry. Now my husband go. Oh yeah, where your husband? I go carry you now. I go carry. I go shoot you. Yeah, come on, in the farm. One of them seen a front. This fence here. Yeah. One of them see about jump by in. Was Bonyan car jump was in. Not the Konyan car would be where they are because Onyan car does not say, shoot them now. Which one they will wait for? Shoot them now. Now you're not I go shoot you, I go kill you. You can pussy up on one car. Just in a fence, I may push me out. Now I saw the one antenna outside. Now I saw carry and hold on. So immediately Gaza drag the boy there because when Gaza drag no. That's why I never find you there. But you know, I'm not going to oh, my phone not there to see. So I'm not going to I say where your husband? Where your if you don't bring your husband, if you don't open the gate, we go kill you. Immediately I'm drag this that one. All the car here notice and my husband that and maybe it got the show help. So back I had to jump with their fence.
Now, so I can have a bonum now.
Avoid it.
Avoid it. Okay, I really thank God. It's men of Abia State Vigilante Service. We are here to serve the state. And everybody, but Kawampaya at security on grant. Where you see something, say something. This young man, neighbor. Now what happened? I guess it's an officer. We have my wife covering exactly a man. I know she will stay in the Virgin. Well, totally is. We are not for more from offense. Was I even contact the Bazia when you should best Belgian office to come and brought to them. Okay, take cover. So I really thank God. Now the school, the whole family. The 1 year, Okokoro. Onye ka actually grew also. But I really thank God. So, madam, don't worry, don't cry. We are here to serve you. And when you forget Maggie, every state Vigilante Service, we are on grant. Well, God bless you. This is the people. This is the family. And the men of Abia State Vigilante Service. Men of Abia State Vigilante Service. Yeah, I was feeling that from Herdsmen kidnappers. From Herdsmen kidnappers. To rescue them.
This is a very well job done. No, job well done. They tried. This is a very, very, very good job. At least they rescued them and help the matter, because I believe that they noticed that the husband have managed to escape, and kind of maybe they got a signal, I don't know, but from the story you can tell that they got a point they started panicking about their staying there, so that anything may happen, so they have to run for their own life. But if this one did not succeed on this one, how about another one? Those of our people that reported PGM in Finland, you see, people that are actually hurting is people like this woman. All of you in abroad, Uchechika and all the rest of them, all of them, they will not face this kind of challenges. Facing it is very rare. but common, ordinary people that manage their life in their own ancestral home are the one facing your senseless decision. You cannot do anything. Can what's the name of this woman? Janko not do anything now. The answer is no. Can she stand or defend the people? The answer is no. What can she do? Nothing. But these are people that are the main problem of our people, are those of them that are calling for PM's head and Master Lucano's head. If you know, you know. This is very, very sad, but I thank God at the end of the day that they managed to survive it. Fulani Herdsmen attack Umuahia community. I hope that your own village have vigilante. Do you have people that can rescue you? Do you have anybody that can come for your rescue? This community have. Imagine if they don't have. Even though for what they're holding poor passion. It's still not good enough because Fulani are holding the twi about what is poor passion. Celebrity gone, but I don't know. Please let me know what you think about it and make sure you share the video. Like it, of course, very, very important. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye.